In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add slide numbers in LibreOffice Impress. By the end, you'll have clean, consistent slide numbers that make it easier to present, share, and reference your deck, whether you're speaking live or sending a PDF. Start by opening LibreOffice Impress and loading the presentation you want to number. You can use an existing deck or a new one. This process works the same either way. Once your file is open, head to the top menu bar and choose Insert. Then click Header and Footer. This opens a dialog that controls the small, standardized items that appear on your slides, like dates and numbers. In the dialog, make sure you're on the Slide tab. This tab controls what shows on individual slides, as opposed to the Notes and Handouts view. Look for the option labeled Slide Number and check that box. This tells Impress to place a slide number placeholder on each slide according to your theme's layout. If you prefer a clean title slide, turn on Do Not Show on First Slide. This keeps your opening slide free of extra elements while still numbering everything that follows. It's a small touch that keeps your introduction polished and professional. Now decide how broadly you want to apply these settings. Click Apply to All. If you want slide numbers to appear across your entire presentation, this is the most common choice and ensures every slide is consistently numbered. If you only want the number on the slide you're currently viewing, click Apply instead. That can be helpful for one-off situations, like numbering just a section or testing how it looks. Once you apply the changes, return to your slides and scan a few to confirm placement and visibility. The exact position, font, and size of the number are defined by your slide master and theme, so it typically appears in a corner out of the way of your content. If a number looks hidden or too close to an edge, it may be behind an object or sitting outside your margins. You can switch layouts or adjust the slide master later to refine the position without changing your content. A quick tip: slide numbers carry through when you export to PDF or print handouts, which helps your audience follow along and makes it easier to field questions like, "Can you go back to slide 9? That's all there is to it. Open the header and footer dialog, enable slide number, optionally hide it on the first slide, and choose Apply or Apply to All.